Doug with Douglas V Amateur Radio and more. Put 2 masts up with 3/4 inch EMT conduit with these single hole mounts and redhead masonry mounts. You just drill a hole, hammer it in, give it another nail, and use 2 eye bolts, one for the top and one to tie off to at the bottom just above the wall. This one only goes about 10 feet. And just guide it like normal. See where it starts over here. I wanted to get a little higher, but the west wall is a little shorter than the east wall due to when it's built. This is the same antenna that I built a few months ago. I trimmed the tree so I could get through it better. I think I'll probably still use the tree as a center mast, just to get the center up a little higher. This one's up a little higher, maybe 12 to 13 feet. If I had to do over again, I would use 1 inch conduit, or maybe better yet, use the top rail. Use that to mount somehow. I might even move it over, but you know, it's all about experimenting and learning as you go. Thinking about getting licensed? Go ahead and do it and start learning, or find an Elmo where he can help you learn, as mine has even before I got licensed. This is Doug. Have a great evening.